This is Martin from Secrets, the channel for writing about trading and investing. Welcome to a Friday market wrap-up. Right, this is for August 26 today, 2022, and we would be looking at various parameters. Before that, just have a quick look at the weekly view. Right, so this is the famous trend line that we have been talking about since long. Left side Nifty, right side Banknifty. So we have a Friday today, and the closing is inside the trend line channel for the Nifty. Banknifty, it's well outside. It's a hammer pattern that you have seen. So the confirmation of the trend has not come out at all in Nifty. That's where we are. So what happened today? So let's get the normal daily charts and see what exactly happened here. So this is the price action today. It's the small body candle is inside the previous candle. It's an inside bar which indicates consolidation. That's Nifty. Bank Nifty also same. It's a inside bar well inside the previous candle and it indicates consolidation. Intraday, what happened? Let's go in and see today's intraday action. It gapped up, then it was trending down, but trending was very choppy. It chopped out people on both sides on a Friday. But it was trending down move after a gap up, but managed to close above the above the previous day's candle. This is exactly what happened. That's the price action. So that hammer is closing inside the trend line that we saw on the weekly basis is not very positive. But an inside bar indicates it's not going to be a breakout nor a crash. It could be consolidation for some buyer. Support resistance levels 17,725 is resistance first on the Nifty, previous swing high. 18,000 also is next resistance, previous swing high on Nifty. Supports 17,487 first support, previous swing low. 17,355 second support, previous swing low. Similarly, Bank Nifty 39,500 is the resistance on the upside. Then after that you have 39,760 which is the second resistance on the upside. 38,800 is the support, which is the gap support, which is also a previous swing high. And 37,950 is also a previous swing high. Basically, that's a Bank Nifty. Let's quickly look at this. So Nifty, this is the range that we are talking about. So immediate you have a resistance here, then you have a resistance here. Right, both are swing highs. Similarly, swing low 1, we have a support here. Then swing low 2, we have a support here, second support. Similarly, Bank Nifty, the range is first swing high resistance, second resistance, first support and second supports, previous swing low, previous swing low, previous swing high resistance, previous swing high resistance. That's the immediate support resistance that you can see on daily chart analysis. Right, Bollinger Bands are indicating it is clear consolidation. The band of the Bollinger has stopped moving up and then now contracting, and which indicates sideways movement, consolidation, as per same as what the price patterns are indicating. Momentum is maintaining the bullishness, it does not slip in the bearish zones. And momentum is still on the top or above RSI 60. Trend also maintain the bullishness, but there is a bend in the trend strength. That means trend is maintaining the bullishness in a weak way on both the indices. VIX cooled off today, it has spiked up. Cooled off today does not mean it is negative, that is wrong, but it is now still very close to the 20. It in fact reached almost near to 20 yesterday, so it is very close and very easy to spike above the 20 where it becomes very choppy. Today, intraday, if you see, there were 4 V-shaped moves that happened. Yesterday, there was 3 V-shaped moves. So that becomes very difficult for intraday options or derivative trade. Is very difficult. And based on price action or indicator, whatever you do, you'll get chopped on both sides because it does not give you a clear direction. Right? Your stop losses will be more. Right? All that. So that's how the VIX is behaving. It is volatile, highly volatile. Even though it is below 20, you have to be cautious. Anytime it can climb back to 20. Uncertainties are there. Still, nothing has gone off. There is a Jackson Hole event that is happening today and tomorrow. Outcome will come to us on Monday. Market will react on Monday. So volatility could even spike up huge. Right? That could be the reason for the high volatility the last 2 days. Could be. So be aware of that. Be aware and be cautious about the VIX that's moving up. When the VIX moves up, market can crash down. And intraday also, even if it doesn't crash down, it can be very choppy and difficult to trade. Futures open interest is a long build up that happened, which is positive on both. Options OI is showing the levels very tight range for the next expiry in September 1st, because it's a triangulated week for them. 17,500 and 17,700 is where the highest put rating and call rating is in as of now. 39,000 and 39,000 was very 500, very tight range. That is seen for the September 1st weekly expiry for the Banknifty. 0.72 and 0.68 are not bullish enough. It is quite far from the 1, right? So call ratio PCR is not that great. Futures OI is good. OI is having a limited range, indicating less volatility and consolidation. See, when the Vega is less, and the range that is predicted by the options OI data also correlates with what the price action is saying and what the Bollinger Bands are saying. So it's going to be consolidation in a narrow range. Sector wise, if you see, metal is the only sector that performed today. All others are flat. Metal and realty are the only two sectors which are maintaining the bullish momentum short term. Heavyweights, Kodak performed. Kodak Bank, HDFC underperformed. Rest all flat. ICICI Bank, if you see, short term momentum bullishness is there, right? So as is only stock that is mainly the short term bullishness, you can say. Moving ahead, the institutional data is saying that there was a small sell-up that happened in the FII. So for institutions who are net sellers today in the cash market, DA is compensated for that and bought early 450 crores of stocks in the cash market, so which is okay. But if is not turning into net sellers, big sellers, is a good thing. Crude oil is falling, which is good, positive, but it is above 90, climbed back to the 90, but sideways momentum basically. Dollar is actually falling, momentum is sideways and 108 levels. Not good, but some code off in the sideways momentum has happened. Used INR is also rupees a peak at the highest, 79.7 nearby levels. But some falling trend is seen as of today. Gold is also falling, bearish trend is there, resistance sideways. STX is flat as of now. Need to check that on Monday. Used indices are green as of now. There is a big event that's going to, markets may react today night. Also, with big moves. Monday also it can react. Same, if it is a big move, it can impact our markets as well. So two major events, Jackson Hole events that is happening today and tomorrow in the US, which could be giving some commentary on the index hikes possibly, and market could be anticipating on that. Sentiments will rise and reactions will be there 1 or 2 days in our market. So you have to be cautious on the Monday on the trade. Next week is a trend-gated week and you have to be cautious. So the market view is not given here. So because we'll be having the market view on the weekly wrap, market analysis that we'll be publishing on Sunday. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. Right? There we'll go into a detailed study. We'll pick up stocks. We'll analyze. We'll give a market view, and we'll look at the levels on a weekly basis also. This is the daily Friday market wrap reports only. That's all. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Happy learning. If this helps, definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Right? Thanks. Bye. Happy trading. Happy learning. Bye.